Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back again. Ladies, let's talk, okay? Come on, let's start. Say then they said they don't get anything to offer. Now this message they tell you so. Now one man they talk for the other. Listen. So because why we go? I'm not saying that we are plus in a way. Any other way, if we go, Emma, as well as we not kill you, money away. Never know what I'm how I be an car. Yeah, I put the police in more people. The police are in Boom. A source of your power. No way, I'm not getting because you got a problem. You're not the put area away. No more money, police in here. But here I will. No bad. So I can't get one of my will. Mamma. The government is because my bueno, I'm Yuba, I'm Yobu, I'm I tell it up before. My ladies, when I know they buy into their blah blah blah. Now this blah blah blah, they take brainwash my soul. When we say all of them are dead spirit to carry Nigerian man, all of them are dead spirit to deal with one Edo man, even though they don't get anything to give you now. Many of them are dead second grade or third circle of poverty. Now they add on our children, they join poverty every day, every hour, every minute when you get pregnant for a man that can't work, that can't do anything, that can't provide for you, unless social, they give you money. Or less social, they do everything for you. Or let's say you did social house, a man that can't buy a house or rent or give you a better life, you and your children. But he wants you to be pregnant every 6 months or 1 year. They born for inside poverty. Be wise. Now, so that they start to market this. You must marry in Edo State. You must marry from this thing. If you marry Igboma, you be sellout. If you marry Yoruba, you be sellout. Now, so that they start more. If you marry Oyibo, you must carry the Oyibo money. You can give them. Now, so that they start more. My sisters wanna wake up, wanna stop this poverty cycle. Wanna they bomb put. Wanna they follow. Because of the brainwashing, when they brainwash now. If you see Senegal, man, he good. He take care of you. He go take care of your children. He get something to offer. He go provide a house. Home for you, not be only has a home, a comfortable home for you. Follow on. If you jump Cameroon man, he gets life, he gets something to offer, he love you, he care for you. If you still born, he go take care of you, go marry you. He not go show you to social single mother. Marry her, not follow the amount. If you see Oyibo, where he good, marry her, not follow the amount. They don't get anything to offer. This one they tell you now. They don't tell you now say for Nigeria, they don't get anything to offer. Unless they carry you to do Yahoo. Unless you go road, go bring money, come. Unless you go find something, can't give them. If not, they don't get what they take you to. Be wise. Learn the message. If they talk, they read their message. Both their mommies, where they support them. Well, so many things. So, now that short clip, now I say, Mona listening to. Okay? And that short clip, Mona listening to. Don't follow their mouth. Don't follow their mouth. Many of them married Senegal, they are better past men. They're better past. Many girls who marry Ghana, they are better than many of them. Don't listen to mommies. Mommies now, all those women where we say, there are times where they're supposed to get better life, marry. They failed for their own. So they will never give you a good advice. They will never want to use their own mistake to advise you. They will always want you to fail more or less. They will always want you to fail. So be very, very wise. When you see mommy, they advise you. Now all those women where they see, every man are the same, all men are the same, no one good. Be careful of them. Be very, very careful of them. Married man, we get level, we get life, we get integrity, we get moral, we get love to share, we get family principle. Not be man where be say if they turn all women to single mothers. Be careful now so that they start the brainwashing. Who marry Senegal, who marry Igboma, who marry Yoruba. Nah. They don't shift to now say they don't say they're not good. Plenty of them no good. You feel married from Yoruba. You feel marry who care about you. Marry where you are loved and celebrated like a woman. Where you be your wife. Not be where therefore they tolerate you. Then they wait the day where their leg was strong for ground. May therefore tell you say, I don't want again. You don't get character. You don't get behavior. I don't want you again. Be very, very careful. Be very careful. Shine your eye. Ladies, stop. Everything, all this struggle when many of them they do today. Not be so like them. Now many of our daki men put on now they brainwash on so now must struggle follow them. Una must suffer follow them. Even some men say we suffer not they go create one. We are problem they go create one. We are fight not they go create one. We are quarrel not they go create one. So ladies, be very, very wise. Stop listening to all these people where you no get life. Don't allow them to give you option of what you want to do for your life when it will benefit you. Even to the extent as they brainwash so many which may reach that time. Some women, money not be everything. Some women go see rich man, better man, we want marry them. They go live and go poverty. Stop to they listen to what all this that came they talk. Many of them don't get anything to offer. They don't get life apart from their blah 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 blah. Talkative behavior when they get. Be careful. Follow your heart. Follow what will benefit you, not what will benefit everybody or the community. No. Let them go and create a life for themselves as men. Many of them come this Europe, come work, come suffer, come do everything. Wait till they don't give to the community, nothing. Who know they do courtesy, it go the thief. Who know the thief, it go be useless child. So, ladies, wake up from your sleep. Go to where you are loved, celebrated, and respected, okay? And where you are provided for as a woman. Senegalese man don't want to make his wife get for flat before he go marry her. Senegalese man don't want to make his wife don't get everything before he go marry her. He provide for his wife. That is why you see them in Spain here. They walk, they do things, they walk. They might not be shiny, they might not be rubbing cream because they are masculine. They are walking like as men are supposed to be walking. But what's on the offer? I will wear tight, skinny jeans. Because me and say first before you start giving women advice who they should marry.
So wow, you want me to
say, rub cream for all on our body. Here go black, here go yellow, here go green. Now I go see they see maps. They give women relationship advice. They tell women how or what they're supposed to they do. Who they want marry, who they not go marry. Why you not focus on yourself as a man first?